Right here I have this awesome acoustic wood paneling by Prime Zone, and this stuff is actually really awesome. So I have this set up in my basement, but I have a little bit of a gym setup right here in this section, and I wanted something that was going to be able to have soundproofing if I am dropping the weights or making a little bit of noise, and this stuff definitely does that. So I wanted you guys to see this up close. It looks so amazing. Changes the whole look of the room, but this is made with a high quality wood. It's actually air quality friendly, and we're gonna have the soundproofing right in the back there, and it really does calm down the noise a ton. Now, as you can see here, I did install the lights on here, so they definitely are gonna change the whole look too. And these lights slide in perfectly, and you can just 3M them. Usually it comes with a 3M. I'm running the wires up, and you can see I kind of had to just hide it up there because usually your outlets are on the floor, but I ran this on the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and show you guys what this looks like. All right, so check that out. That looks absolutely amazing. And when you add those LED lights, it literally just changes the entire look. Now these wood panels, I ended up getting the 4-pack of here, so it is about 94 inches wide, I would say, and 8 feet tall. So for me, my ceilings are 8 feet. Usually if you have a trim board on the bottom, if you're doing this in your living room, your office or something, you're gonna probably have to cut it if you do have 8-foot ceilings. Mine lined up absolutely perfect, and I didn't have any cutting. But as you can see, I wanted to show here how you cannot tell where it stops and ends within here. So there are 4 different pieces, and you cannot tell when a new piece is starting. It looks so symmetrical and good. After I put this up, I actually wanted to get some for different parts of my house, because you could put this behind a TV, maybe in your movie room, just to calm down the noise and give it a really cinematic feel. You could also put this in your office if you do have, maybe your kids are playing outside of your office and you're talking, maybe you're on a Zoom call and you want everything to be a little bit more quiet, or you do want to put this in a playroom or a basement, you can absolutely do so. Now for me with the gym, I think it's going to work perfectly, and it just looks amazing. I'm very happy with this, guys. This does come in different colors. You can also get these in different sizes, and you can get just 2 of them, which would probably stop about right here, which would be like 47 inches wide, and just add a little bit of accent to your room, or you can just get longer and just keep going. But it's affordable. It works amazing. I'm very happy with it. I highly recommend this, and if you pair it up with lights, it's gonna look so good. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.